Hello friends. In this video I will tell you some features of Welder 205DS stick welding. The Welder MIG 205DS Pro MIG welder has established itself as a noteworthy entry in the MIG welding market since its launch. Catering to both novice welders and seasoned professionals, this versatile machine aims to simplify the welding process while maintaining exceptional quality. This unit combines modern technology with user-friendly features, an approach that reflects the evolving demands of users today. One of the standout characteristics of the Welder 205 stick welder is its dual voltage capability, allowing operation on either 110V or 220V power sources. This flexibility makes it suitable for different work environments, from home projects to professional workshop conditions. Additionally, the machine boasts a robust welding output range from 30A to 205A, accommodating various welding tasks across different material thicknesses. This welder also employs advanced inverter technology, resulting in a lightweight yet powerful system that reduces energy consumption while enhancing performance. The synergy between portability and power allows welders to tackle projects with ease, whether it involves light fabrication work or heavier industrial applications. Furthermore, the MIG 205DS Pro supports multiple welding processes including MIG, MIG with gas, and flux cord welding, which broadens its applicability and functionality. Moreover, the unit features a digital display for precise adjustments of settings, providing users clarity regarding voltage and wire feed speed selections. This interface not only simplifies the process for beginners but also offers experienced welders quick access to fine-tuning their welds. With its emphasis on versatility, efficiency, and user-friendliness, the Welder MIG 205DS Pro sets a new benchmark for MIG welding equipment, making it a commendable choice for anyone looking to enhance their welding capabilities. The Welder MIG 205DS Pro MIG welder is engineered with several key specifications that underscore its performance and versatility in a variety of welding applications. At the forefront is its impressive power output of 200 amps, which allows for effective welding on various materials, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. This substantial power enables the welder to handle thicker materials with ease, making it an ideal choice for both professional welders and hobbyists alike. Another significant feature of the Welder 205 stick welder is its dual voltage capabilities, supporting both 110V and 220V power sources. This dual functionality facilitates flexibility in usage, allowing the welder to be utilized in a wide range of environments. Users can switch between voltage settings depending on the welding task or power availability, enhancing the machine's overall practicality. The ability to operate on different voltages is particularly beneficial for those who may need to use the welder in various locations, whether in a workshop or on-site. Furthermore, this welder boasts a 5-in-1 functionality that significantly enhances its usability. It supports MIG welding, flux cord welding, lift TIG welding, spool gun welding, and stick welding. This multifunction feature not only expands the range of tasks that can be accomplished but also makes the MIG 205DS relevant for several types of projects, from metal fabrication to automotive repair. The versatility provided by these distinct welding modes allows users to select the most suitable method for their specific applications, resulting in increased efficiency and improved final results. In essence, the Welder MIG 205DS Pro MIG welder is designed to provide essential specifications and features that empower users to achieve exceptional welding performance across a diverse range of welding projects. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel to get notification of new videos.